This video will show you how to install the SiteBlocker extension and how you can set it up for use with your students after school hours. On the Parent Help page, if you scroll down under Help for Parents, you will see SiteBlocker. Click on the link to SiteBlocker and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store and SiteBlocker. Click on Add to Chrome. Then you can click on Add Extension. Once you see the message SiteBlocker has been added to Chrome, click on the little X and the extension looks like it disappears. So there is a puzzle piece that if you click on the puzzle piece, it shows any extension that is installed on the computer. The ones with the blue pin are the ones that are pinned and you see up here. So if the SiteBlocker extension, the icon looks like this, does not appear up where the other extensions are, you can click on the puzzle piece and find it. And notice it is not blue, the pin, so it means it's not pinned up on your extension bar. So if I click on it, it then pins it up here. So you see the icon here and the icon here. It's very easy to use. You simply click on the icon and you can say manage block sites. What you need is the website that you want to block. So just say you want to block Facebook. My recommendation is going to get the actual link for Facebook and highlighting that link and copying it. You can right click, well, there is no right click, sorry. You can Control C on the computer to copy it and go back and Control V to paste it. And then you click the plus sign and it will say right here the website is blocked. And watch, when I try to go back there, this site is blocked. Do not try to change it. Now, if you want to unblock sites, you simply can click on the X. The site is not blocked anymore. And if I then try to go to Facebook, So my honest suggestion is that you install this SiteBlocker. If you're worried about that your children might unblock sites if they are older students, then maybe you need to install it when they are not around to see that you are installing and blocking sites. You have to monitor your kids online, just like you would monitor what they're doing on their phones. These are the tools that can help you, and I hope that it is helpful.